Hey, agents! Hey, agents! Hey. Hey, chat, welcome. You know it's your girl Nia, and I'm back with another lit.
I'm not okay.
So, on this video, it's basically about back to school video, and one day I'm excited because your girl's not excited. I'm not excited, but
Brother, which where you come from?
you know, may I forget myself now, Jeff will move forget into the school era because hello, it's a new era. What?
Cut the show. I'm done. Take me off.
Anyways, chat. So the reason why I made it is like it's this other night before school. I used to marry it now because I got iron, pop my bag and all them necessities there. Yeah, and take it with me. So without any further ado, make sure y'all subscribe, like, and share up the video because you know the banger videos coming next and coming soon. So let's get right into the video. Why may I talk too much? Anyways, let's go. Oh my god, I got school tomorrow. Oh my god, look at that. Like, why? Oh my god. Guys, she can't go in the edges.
Look how we made
I will eat, you know?
see.
At what time now? We don't want to celebration that starts early. Madam can't go in with mine them. I look at edges happening.
Girl, me done camper done.
Oh God. Chat every day. No, because What's that, Joe? I'm not taking right now, Joe.
Sure, I'm buying up in the name of Jesus. Open us and buying it.
What me do?
You know what I say? Let me word sample. So yeah guys, welcome back. I don't know why them are welcome we because I don't feel welcome. As me and say man,
Didn't want to be back.
didn't want to be back. But we're back. You get what I'm saying?
What is it, first day of school here?
No?
We're back to make the mullah. Anyways guys.
Oh, I can't find it, brother. Oh, I can't do that again.
Buy water here, so no, it's actually tea that I buy here, so I think that's tea that I buy. Yeah. So guys, we go over the lunchroom and trust me, the pack with lower school, like oh my god. So we decide say yeah, we are gonna just make one thing and go to the nurse office to buy water. So guys, to buy the water and thing, I'ma buy extra water in the chat, buy extra water and buy water for myself and girl go to the fridge and I take out water for me. What she mean? You get enough for me now, miss? What?
So what do you have now, child?
You're not ashamed of yourself. Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
Chat at lunchtime. Hungry, I kill me. Me I go check if it's full.
Alright. Females have on castrate.
So guys, I don't even know say hungry I pill me and say, you know, hungry I twist and turn me right there. So my god, me I tell you, the one ball.
They might put on better still.
Oh god. Suspense it, I change. Why this is such a thing?
Are you to get up on watch it?
Yeah.
You mean too?
I'm trying to be cool.
Did I not catch you?
trying to be cool.
So guys, second session. Second session. Session number 2. It's not second session, third session actually. Maths. Oh no, I never have second session because I never did get to do maths and math and then advanced. I just do advanced. So now I have OA, office administration. Yeah. So come watch me, Shaz. Guys, let me say I say I'm just to get a little good light because I'm never the one the light dead on my other, but everything is so good still.
I'm not okay.
Guys, classes are over. Yeah. Black. Oh my god. Who is these people? They need to get out.
Yeah, put it on my face. Yeah, put it on my nose.
Me like say yo, wait, me come out. No boy, I'm going like him again. Brother.
Lala vibes.
Right now, man.
Subscribe, subscribe.
Alright, girls, you can go.
Channel and go and follow her on TikTok at your girl. I saw me remember. It's that girl name. Subscription. Watch on the thing. Subscribe to the show. Yeah.
We are on YouTube channel. Don't come in for me. I'm gonna copy. I'm gonna claim.
Go and join the WhatsApp group too. Yes, guys.
Female.
Remember saying, remember when you
Yeah,
subscribe,
What?
you must comment and like the video, guys.
Oh, you turn this on.
Guys, say hi. Say hi. Bye. So guys, we just come to the music room. Basically, them a vote for PRO. Out of me and Lala. Yeah, so we're going to see where they're going to pick. What do you think I'm pick?
You know, honestly, I want them pick her because she have the talent feat, she very outgoing, and she did do something for Miss Russell and she didn't name that. But I mean, I did do it, so anything and anything. Ladies, just sit now.
What idea come to me, but we don't have enough person to pull it off. Ready? One.
Stop it. Get some help.
I'm not like your mentality.
I'm out.
School is finished and we're about to go home. We're about to go home.
What is under my nose? I'm out. What is under my nose? I'm out.
Who that video that?
They should have done.
What you say? Like, are you never take care?
Alright. What is under my nose? I'm out.